Inventory is up in the Tucson housing market. What do more listings on the market mean when you're contemplating selling your Tucson area home? Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Last year, we saw a huge decline in inventory, with most homeowners sitting on the fence and not selling, largely due to the high mortgage rates. However, now that there has been an influx of inventory into the marketplace, do you still have an advantage as a seller? The answer is primarily yes. According to the latest data from Realtor.com, new listings are trending up. Homeowners who put off selling their home last year are now putting a for sale sign in their yard compared to the same time last year. Newly listed homes in the Tucson area market are up 19% above last year's levels. This is good news for buyers who have more options, but it's not bad news for sellers. Sellers are still in a good place as home prices continue to rise too. With days on market relatively low, it's the sellers who have priced their home well who are reaping the benefits of a quick sale. So if you're considering selling, even though there are more listings on the market, we're seeing pretty steady demand from buyers. With any small softening in rates, buyers jump in and take advantage of that. The key is for you to take time to make the necessary repairs and fixes that your home might need, then price it realistically. If you would like more information on the current inventory in our Tucson market, home prices, and days on market, please reach out to me. You can receive the help you need to prepare your home for sale and get the best possible return on your investment. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.